DEEBOT T9 family, your ultimate 9-in-1 robotic cleaning. True Detect 3D 2.0, avoiding obstacles more smartly. True Mapping 2.0, mapping and navigation technology, offers you a more accurate mapping solution. Upgraded 2D Map captures your home layout more precisely. First of its kind 3D Map, restoring the look of your home more realistically, making edits with just a click away. All new app experience, read and edit more conveniently. Industry first mobile air freshener for indoor use, brings you long-lasting, refreshing experience while floor cleaning. The powerful suction you've been waiting for is now here. 3000 PA suction power, deep cleans every corner of your home. A breakthrough on Osmo Pro mopping system to give you high-frequency vibration that oscillates 480 times per minute, and it is quieter than ever. Compatible with the auto empty station. Say goodbye to cleaning your dustbin every other day. Enjoy more effortless home cleaning. DEEBOT T9 family, your 9-in-1 ultimate robotic cleaning. The best just got better.